Hi guys, it's me, Blue. So, I know it's like summertime, but I feel like we should kind of start talking about back to school. And I know you want to enjoy your summer, but it's kind of the time to start talking about it. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a clear backpack with a really cool looking rainbow on it. Well, I'm not going to show you how to make the backpack, but I'm going to show you how to make it look cool. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe and write some comments if you want more cool videos like this one. So let's get started. First you'll need a clear bag. I got this backpack on Amazon for like $10, so that's a good deal. And you'll need some craft supplies. So this is just like cool things like these flowers, glitter, sequins, beads and buttons, and a moustache, and glue. So I'm putting my design on the inside of my bag because I throw my backpack everywhere and all the stuff is going to fall off. But if you so choose, you can put your design on the outside. Start with the top of the arch, which will be pink. Get all of your pink craft supplies and glue them on. Next, add your orange layer, then your yellow, and so on. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty, and you can put your stuff in it and still see it. So go to school and put all your stuff in it. Let your friends compliment you on your amazing bag. And that's it. If you like my video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this awesome bag needs to be shared. Bye!